Namaste my dear friend, and welcome to another 15-minute practice. My name is Niru and I will be practicing with you today. So today's class is going to be mainly focusing on the lower part of our body, our hips, our legs, our thighs, and we'll end the practice with a small meditation. So let's get started. Let's sit in a comfortable seated posture, Sukhasana with the legs crossed in front of you, or Vajrasana with your knees bent, anything that works for you. Let's take a couple of long deep breaths. You can keep your eyes open, or if you feel like it, you can gently bring your eyes to a close. As you inhale and exhale, feel your body completely relaxing. Feel yourself coming into the moment, into the present, focusing on your breath. Bring a gentle smile on your face and thank yourself for showing up at the mat today for this practice. Let's begin the practice by bringing our hands to our heart center. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra, sit up straight. Let's take 3 long breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Take a deep inhale and sigh it out on an exhale. Let's repeat it a couple more times. At the end of your next exhale, slowly release your palms back to your knees. And with a few blinks, open your eyes and look straight ahead in front of you. Cool, let's begin. We'll start in child's pose, a wide-legged child's pose. So release your knees as wide as possible. Bring your toes to touch. Bring your hands as forward as possible. Take a deep inhale, stretch yourself. And on an exhale, gently bring your hips back towards your heels. Your hips may or may not touch the heels. Press into your fingertips and gently release your forehead down to the mat, coming into a child's pose. You can keep your elbows lifted out off the mat, or you can gently bring your elbows down. Whatever works for you. Let's take a couple of long deep breaths in this posture. Feeling that release on your lower back. Feeling that slight stretch on your hips. Now from here, gently bring your hands to touch, the palms to touch. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra. Let's expand our chest a little bit. Take a deep inhale as you lift your palms off the mat, and gently try to bring your thumbs to touch the back of your neck. You should feel a nice stretch along your shoulders, a gentle expansion of your chest. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, gently release your palms back down to the ground. Inhale, slowly lift your hands back up. Try to touch the back of your neck with your thumbs. Exhale, slowly release your hands back down. Let's do it one more time. Take a deep inhale as you lift your hands up. Touch the back of your neck with your thumbs. Exhale, slowly release your palms back down. Stretch your hands, release your hands, stretch your hands overhead. Now let's do a couple of side stretches. Keeping your left palm as it is. Gently start walking your right hand towards your left till you feel a nice stretch along the whole right side of your body. Rest your right palm on top of your left palm. Take a deep inhale. Exhale it out. Let's take a couple more breaths here, experiencing that slight stretch on the right side. Slowly release your right hand back down, bring it back to the right side. Let's repeat the same thing with the other side. As you inhale, slowly walk your left palm towards your right hand and rest your left palm on top of your right palm till you feel a nice stretch along the whole left side of your body. Taking a couple of long deep breaths here, experiencing that stretch. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, gently release your left hand back towards the left side. Taking one more breath here in child's pose. As you inhale, slowly press into your fingertips and lift your hips up, coming to a tabletop posture. Your shoulders should feel nice and warm by now. Your hips should feel nicely stretched out and your body should feel loose and relaxed. Now, let's take a couple of lunges. So from here, as you inhale, lift your right knee off the mat and bring your right feet to the top of your mat. Try to bring it as forward as possible till you feel a nice stretch along your right hip. Alright, stay here taking a couple of long deep breaths. If required, you can take the support of your right hand and push your right leg forward till you feel that stretch. Breathing deeply here. If you are going to come into a high lunge or a crescent lunge posture, from here, as you inhale, plant your left toes and lift your left knee off the mat. Alright, you should feel a stretch in the right hip by now, and you should feel those legs nicely working. You can stay here, but if you feel you're fine here, you can go a little further. Then as you inhale, slowly lift your hands off the mat and bring them to your hips. Alright. Now the reason that we are bringing them to the hips is because we want to make sure that our hips are pointing straight ahead towards the top of our mat. If you feel comfortable here, gently lift your hands up and come to the complete crescent lunge posture. Stretching your hands up towards the ceiling. Breathing deeply here. You won't be here for long. Feel those legs working. Take a deep inhale, stretch your hands up. And on the exhale, gently bring your palms down to the mat. Inhale, step your left leg forward. We'll come to a chair pose now. Now keeping your feet together, your toes, your heels together. As you inhale, slowly lift your body up, keeping your knees bent. Coming to a chair pose, stretching your hands up overhead, look down. You should be able to see your toes. If you're not able to see your toes, move your knees back and gently come to bend down through your hips, lifting your hands up. This is not a comfortable posture, even I feel it. Breathing deeply here, one more breath. Take a deep inhale, lift your hands up a little higher. And on the exhale, gently release your hands down to the mat. Take a deep inhale here. And on the exhale, slowly step your legs back, coming to a plank pose, body in one straight line. Breathing here, taking a couple of rocks forward and backwards. Take a deep breath in. And on the exhale, slowly release your knees down, gently bring your hips towards your heels, coming back to that child's pose. We won't be here for long. Inhale, lift your body back up, coming back into that tabletop posture. Let's repeat the same thing with the other side. Breathing deeply. On the next inhale, lift your left leg off the mat. Bring your left feet to the front of the mat, taking the support of that left hand. Bring it forward till you feel a nice stretch along that left hip. Your hands are on either side of your left feet. Taking a couple of breaths here. Let's come into that high lunge posture on the left side now. As you inhale, taking the support of those hands, plant your right toes and lift your right knee off the mat. Breathing deeply. You can stay in this posture. This is going to work your legs as well. But if you feel you need a little bit more of a challenge, on the next inhale, lift your hands and bring them to your hips. Make sure your hips are pointing straight ahead. The left hip has a tendency to come straight up. So try to bring it back and bring your right hip forward. Your hip should be pointing towards the top of your mat. Take a deep inhale and you can stay here. Otherwise, lift your hands up, coming into that high lunge posture. Lifting your right knee towards the ceiling, bending into that left leg. Don't forget to breathe. Take a deep inhale, stretch your hands up. And on an exhale, gently bring your hands down. Bring your right leg forward. We are going to come into a chair pose now. Keeping your feet together, keeping your knees together. Take a deep inhale as you lift your hands up. Coming into chair pose, Utkatasana posture. Make sure you're able to see your toes. And if you're able to see your toes, look straight ahead. Make sure your lower back is not curved, but rather keep your core tucked in. Breathing deeply. Take a deep inhale. And on an exhale, gently release your hands to the floor. Straighten your legs if possible, or you can keep your knees bent. And taking the support of your hands, gently come to sit down in Dandasana posture. Stretching your legs out in front of you. Breathing deeply. Try to keep both of your feet completely on the mat, flexing the toes of both your legs. We will take Paschimottanasana posture. This will be the last posture for today before we get into our meditation. As you inhale, lift your hands up. And as you exhale, gently bring your body forward. Keep your spine straight. And once you've gone as far as you can go, gently release your hands towards your feet. And breathe. Your hands may not reach the feet, it may only reach your ankles, your shin, anything is fine. As long as you feel that stretch along your hamstrings, along the back of your body, you're doing the work. So don't worry about how far you can go, if you're able to touch your feet or not. It will all come with practice. Let's take one more inhale and exhale here. On the next inhale, slowly lift your hands back up, stretch up. And on the exhale, gently release your hands down. Bend both your knees and come to a comfortable seated posture. You can sit in either Sukhasana with your legs crossed in front of you or in Vajrasana. Anything that works for you. Anywhere where you're not going to be thinking about how you're sitting. So try to get as comfortable as you can. So today's meditation is going to be something that is very simple but very difficult at the same time. I call it my form of mantra meditation. So mantra in Sanskrit is any small phrase that has a meaning. So today's mantra meditation is going to help us focus on one single phrase. So that phrase can be anything of your choice, anything that you feel like meditating to today. But if I may make a suggestion, my suggestion for today will be I am happy, because I think that's something that all of us crave on a day-to-day basis, happiness. So sitting comfortably, your palms can face up or down on your knees. Try to relax your shoulders, relax your whole body, keep your spine straight. You can be sitting on a mat, sitting on your chair, anywhere that you want. Let's take a couple of breaths. Now slowly start repeating your mantra to yourself in your mind. I'm going to repeat I am happy. Keep repeating that mantra in your mind over and over again. With every inhale, repeat the mantra in your mind. With every exhale, repeat the mantra in your mind. Keep repeating this mantra in your mind for the next couple of seconds. I will be silent. At the end of your next exhale, slowly release the mantra out into the universe. Gently bring your hands to touch at your heart center. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra, sitting up straight. Let's end the practice just like the way that we started it, with 3 long breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Take your longest breath yet as an inhale. With a few blinks, open your eyes and look straight ahead in front of you. Let's wish peace upon all beings of this universe, all beings of this earth. Lokaha samastaha sukhino bhavantu. Thank you so much for joining me at this practice today. I hope you feel better than you did at the beginning of the practice. I sure do. I surely do. See you in the next class. Bye.